Today we're going to be talking about 2 things you must be doing in 2021 to get more leads for your business, make more sales, and build your brand. Now, a lot of things changed in 2020. Things have been really crazy. But now moving forward in 2021, there's a couple things you can do to put yourself head and shoulders above the rest of the people on the internet. The internet is noisy. There's a ton of competition, but there's a couple ways you can step above all of that and stand out. And we are going to talk about those today.
Hi.
My name is Kari Baxter, founder of KariBaxter.com. I help network marketers build their business using social media without doing any prospecting, which means we're doing marketing. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's get right into it. The number one thing that you must do to build your brand and get more leads online in 2021 is to be a bright light. I heard this training from Frank Kern. It's absolutely amazing. Think about a night sky that's totally pitch black, and all you can see is one star peeking through. Maybe 2, maybe 3, right? 3 stars in a super dark black night sky. What do you notice? You notice the stars, okay? Same thing goes for like a pair of black leggings. Let's say you have a pair of black leggings and there's one piece of white lint on the leggings. What do you notice? You don't even notice the leggings. You notice that white thing standing out. And this is what you need to do in 2021. You need to be the bright light. You need to lead in your content, in your social media, in your training, in your connecting with people. You need to lead with positivity. You need to inspire people. You need to encourage people. You need to be authentic and sincere and genuinely help people. You know, in 2020, a lot of people were very negative. I'm sure we all had our days, but there's a lot of negativity out there. And there was a study done that said 64% of Americans think social media is making the US a worse place. So that's a lot of negativity. More than half of Americans think social media is bad, is negative, is not helping our country. And it's probably similar in other countries if you don't live in the US. So with all of that negativity and all of that out there, all you have to do is inspire and encourage people, and you will stand out like a sore thumb. And what this does is this creates a positive association with your brand. You and your brand are positive. So even if somebody doesn't do business with you today or tomorrow, maybe it's a year from now, maybe it's 2 years from now, guess what? They will never forget how you made them feel. They will never forget that you were the one who was always positive on social media. I have a ton of people tell me this, and a lot of them are like not in network marketing. They're not business friends. They're just normal friends. And they'll say, I really appreciate your positive posts on social media. It's so easy to stand out right now. Don't be discouraged thinking there is a ton of competition and YouTube is so busy and Facebook's so busy and all these platforms. You know, there's so much content. It's hard to stand out. It is not hard to stand out when you are bringing positivity and encouragement to your audience. So thing number 2 that you need to do in 2021 to get more leads and build your brand is consistency. I know we talk about consistency a lot, but consistency is king. And if you are encouraging, but you only do it once a month, that's not enough. You have to do it. You have to do it more than that. If you have a blog or a podcast or a YouTube channel or something with some longer form content, you should be posting once a week. Well, or pick any interval you want. Once a week is great. Like, you don't have to post every day. You don't have to do a YouTube video every day, but you have to show up consistently for your audience. If you have a Facebook group and you're doing a live training once a week, do it every week. Set a time and show up for your people. This builds trust. And right now, people do not trust companies. They do not trust the government. They do not trust the media. They are looking to you and me to be the people and the businesses and the brands that they trust. They will trust an individual more than they will trust a big company right now. Just today, Robinhood, the stock exchange company, has been shutting down people's accounts and not letting them trade stocks. And people are angry. Like, you opened this platform up for us little guys to be able to invest our money, and now you have shut it down and taken it away, and it will benefit the great big giant hedge fund hedge fund managers. Is that what I was trying to say? Anyway, people don't trust companies right now. They have been making some bad decisions. So you can show up with value and substance and positivity and inspiration, and people will eat it up and they will love you. There was one other thing I was going to say about that. Just that it builds trust, just that showing up consistently builds trust, which is what people need right now. They want to trust you. They want to believe in you. They want to believe you're going to show up and you're going to make their day better and you're going to help make their business better. You're going to help make their life better. So show up for those people. And those are the two main things you can do this year to get more leads, more customers, and not just leads, but like a community, like people who you love and people who love you back and who want to be a part of what you're doing. That's what we're going to build in 2021. Not just a bunch of random leads in a funnel, but people who you want to build a community with and build a business with. So drop some comments below if that makes sense. If there's anything else that you would add to that, what else do we need to be doing in 2021 to build our businesses bigger and stronger and better? You can always go to my blog, KariBaxter.com, to check out all my trainings there. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to get notified of all new videos, because I am going to start posting more consistently and start showing up for you on a regular basis. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.